I'm here at Deception Falls, which is a short half-mile nature loop. It's a nice little pull-out on Highway 2, just west of Stevens Pass. Bathrooms, garbage, and just a really gorgeous little forest trail. Got Luna and Dave with me today, and we're probably going to do this loop as well as see the waterfall. Okay, we've decided to come up to Upper Falls first. Highway 2 goes right over it. Just beautiful. Woo! There's Upper Falls. Huckleberries going on. So this is talking about how clear water doesn't contain the little bacteria and things that are required to feed the larger life forms. And so it looks super clear and beautiful to us, but it's actually fairly lifeless water. Sure is pretty. I don't know if that was Lower Falls or if this is Lower Falls or Lower Falls. This is just incredible. This water just cascades over and then just hits this wall and does an abrupt turn. Sharper than a 90-degree angle there. Gorgeous.